Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back. Alright, so today we'll be taking a look at the Razer Viper Ultimate, which has been positively reviewed by many tech YouTubers as one of, if not the best gaming mouse on the market right now. And a fun fact, I got this mouse at only 85 USD as it was going on sale for nearly half the price, which was why I got it in first place as well. And this video is totally not sponsored at all. I used my own money to purchase this mouse, and spoiler alert, I would say probably one of the best tech deals I've gotten in a long time, and I'll tell you why. Alright, so talking about the Razer Viper Ultimate, it weighs in at only 74 grams, making it very light for a wireless gaming mouse. And considering it keeps the form of the mouse without having any holes on the mouse like the Model O. So this is also an ambidextrous mouse, which means it can be used by both right and left-handers. And I am a right-hander, so I use the left side buttons, and the one on the right, they do not get in the way at all when you're using the mouse. So that's one thing good about it. There is also the previous version of this mouse, which is the Razer Viper, which is a wired mouse, and it weighs in at about 69 grams. So having this extra 5 grams to have the wireless aspect, I mean, I would take it anytime. I love myself a wireless mouse because a wired one, I feel it really gets in the way sometimes when you're playing games, and nothing beats a wireless mouse. And anyway, you are highly unlikely to be able to feel the difference of the 5 extra grams as well. Alright, so opening up the box, we are immediately greeted with the mouse itself and the charging dock as well. And speaking about the dock, I would highly recommend getting the bundle with the charging dock as well, because it not only gives you convenience when you charge, you don't have to line up the cable every time you want to charge it, and also it charges with style as well because it's an RGB dock, so it gives on the extra aesthetics on your desk. And you know, when RGB is on, the light reflects off your desk. Oh boy, that is so sick. And also you can further customize the mouse and dock in the Razer Synapse software, which we're going to talk about right now. So in the Synapse software, you will have a lot of customizability. For the mouse, you can create different profile settings, and you will only need to do them once on the software. And after that, you can directly change it from the mouse itself, and you don't have to keep it going on to the software just to change the different settings. And I know there are a lot of different settings that you can do, that you can play with, but I'm not going to explain every single one of them, and I'll just give you a brief description of those I feel are more commonly used. Alright, so for the mouse first, you can change the sensitivity of the mouse under the performance tab for different DPI settings, and also the polling rate. Next, you can also change the brightness and effects of the RGB lighting. However, do note that for more advanced effects for the RGB lighting, you'll need to download the Chroma Studio software. And I usually keep the brightness of the lighting around 5 to 10%, as for one, it is actually bright enough for you to see, and two, it significantly increases your battery life as well. So I mean, for me, I prioritize battery life over the brightness of the RGB lighting. And next, you can change the smart tracking settings for the different mouse matte surfaces. They have auto calibration, so I wouldn't touch any of the settings unless you know what you're doing. And last but not least, you can change your power saving mode settings to prolong your battery life. And also talking about battery life, this mouse has 70 hours of battery life without any RGB lighting on. And for me, I charge every once in about 1 to 2 weeks time, because I don't use this mouse every day for like 5 to 10 hours. I only use for a few hours. And yeah, I mean, this has very good battery life. I'm very satisfied with this. And that's mostly it for the customization of the mouse. And now moving on to the dock. And for the dock, it's very straightforward because you don't have a lot of things to work with. You only have a few settings that you can change. So for the dock, you can change the RGB lighting to show the battery life of your mouse. You can show the range, let's say 50 to 60%, it will show yellow and etc. So you don't need to open up the software just to check your battery life. And similar to the mouse, you can have the advanced lighting effect, but you also need to download the Chroma Studio module. And yeah, I think that's it. And now I'll do a short ASMR sound test of all the mouse buttons. And here we go. Mouse 1. Mouse 2. Scroll wheel. Side buttons. DPI. Alright, so to sum up this review, I think that this mouse is hands down the best wireless gaming mouse on the market right now, and I would also say that it dominates the popular Logitech G Pro Wireless, which has been the benchmark for wireless gaming mouse, and yeah, I would say that it has just been dethroned. But yes, this mouse is a premium mouse. You have all the premium features, and yes, you have to pay a hefty price, 150 USD if it doesn't go on sale. And yes, I would say a very good mouse for its price. And yeah, I guess that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.